Today, we embark on an insightful journey into the transformative world of regenerative medicine, a field that is revolutionizing healthcare by harnessing the body's own ability to heal and restore itself. This innovative medical approach not only offers hope to those with conditions once deemed untreatable but also opens new frontiers in medical science. Regenerative medicine encompasses a range of techniques and technologies, including stem cell therapy, tissue engineering, and gene editing. Stem cells, with their unique ability to differentiate into various cell types, stand at the forefront of this revolution. They offer the potential to regenerate damaged tissues and organs, from repairing heart tissue after a heart attack to restoring function in degenerative diseases such as Parkinson's and Alzheimer's. Tissue engineering, another pillar of regenerative medicine, involves creating biocompatible scaffolds that can support the growth of new tissues and organs in the lab. These scaffolds, combined with patient cells, can then be implanted to repair or replace damaged areas, offering new solutions for individuals awaiting organ transplants or recovering from severe injuries. Gene editing technologies like CRISPR-Cas9 have further expanded the horizons of regenerative medicine. By precisely modifying the genetic code, scientists can correct mutations that cause disease, offering the potential for not just treatment but permanent cures. This groundbreaking approach is already being explored in clinical trials for genetic disorders, signaling a new era in disease management and therapy. However, the path of regenerative medicine is not without its challenges. Ethical considerations, particularly concerning stem cell research and genetic editing, pose significant questions. The sourcing of stem cells, the implications of altering the human genome, and the accessibility of advanced treatments are subjects of ongoing debate and regulation. Additionally, the practical challenges of bringing regenerative therapies from the lab to the clinic cannot be overlooked. Issues such as scalability, reproducibility, and ensuring long-term safety and efficacy are critical hurdles that researchers and clinicians are working tirelessly to overcome. The regulatory landscape, too, must evolve to keep pace with these rapid advancements, ensuring that new therapies are both safe and effective. Despite these challenges, the potential of regenerative medicine to alter the healthcare landscape is immense. As research progresses, we are witnessing the development of therapies that could one day render organ transplant waiting lists obsolete, turn incurable diseases into manageable conditions, and significantly extend healthy human lifespan. As we conclude our exploration, it's clear that regenerative medicine represents one of the most promising frontiers in modern healthcare. It is a beacon of hope for millions and a testament to human ingenuity and perseverance. While there is still much to learn and many obstacles to overcome, the future of regenerative medicine shines bright with the promise of healing and renewal. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the fascinating world of regenerative medicine. As we continue to witness these remarkable advancements, let's stay informed and supportive of the scientific breakthroughs that have the potential to reshape our lives and the future of healthcare.